Baka simple, sobrang challenge natin maging creative these days. Kasi lagi tayong nasa bahay at puro itong bahay yung kinakain natin. Kaya to medyo may konting laro tayo para sa ating dish today.
Simple, luto na ha.
So gagawa tayo ngayon a twist of our pininyahan and our hamonado na pinagsama natin. Kaya gagawa tayo ng pininyahang hamonado. Pero it's very easy to do kasi we start off with making some sort like pan adobo base. So, meron tayo ditong konting oil. And isi-sear natin yung ating chicken. So, meron akong chicken dito. Inasinan ko na siya earlier. So, ilalagay natin yung ating chicken. Yan. Chicken pieces. Lalagay na rin natin yung ating aromatics. So, ano yung aromatics na gagamitin natin? Meron tayong star anise, no? To give it that very nice licorice na aroma, which is very reminiscent sa ating mga hamon. Meron din tayong laurel leaves. Meron din tayong sibuyas at bawang. Yan. So, we allow that to infuse flavor. Yan, let it sit. Sobrang aromatic ng ating star anise kasi ginisa natin siya. So, na-revive yung mga essential oils niya with the oil rather than just adding it into boiling liquid. So, now that we've sauteed the aromatics in the chicken, what do we do now? We just add a little bit of soy sauce and vinegar. So, parang sa sinabi ko kanina, parang simula natin, gumagawa tayo ng adobo of sorts. Yan. So, konting vinegar. Yan. And dahil nga pininyahan siya, meron tayong pineapple chunks. But what we're going to do at the start is just to add the sauce of the pineapples. And so, we allow the chicken to simmer in the mixture of soy sauce, vinegar, and pineapple juice. And tatakpan natin siya. Yan. So, our chicken is almost cooked. Tingnan natin. Medyo malapit na ma-reduce yung kanyang sauce. Yan. Diba? It looks like an adobo. But, we're not yet done. Dadagdagan natin siya ng diced hot dogs. Yan. And pineapple. Yung pineapple natin kanina. Pagtira lang tayo ng konti for garnish later. We mix it with the chicken. Yan. And we add our Jufran sweet chili sauce. No? So, the sweet and sour flavor. And a little UFC Banana Catsup for color. So, gusto natin mas reddish yung kulay ng ating hamonado. And we season with a little bit of cracked black pepper. Yan. So, it's not too sweet. Hindi na natin siya dinagdagan ng sugar. But if you want, you can. Kasi when you bite into the pineapple, nandun na yung sweetness niya. And we don't add any more saltiness because we already cooked it with the soy sauce. And it's done. Look at that, guys. And it's done. I'm so happy with this dish. Sobrang simple, but surely magugustuhan nyo ito. And we're ready to plate. So we just add the few pieces of pineapple. All goes well together with the perfectly balanced sauce. Here it is, our very delicious looking and very festive Pininyahang Hamonado. Simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.